Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. It is officially fall. I'm so excited. I have been waiting for this season to come all year and it's finally here. I love the crisp, cool air, the autumn beautiful colors, the leaves changing colors and falling, hitting the ground, all of that good fall cozy stuff. I'm here for it. But I could not start this vlog the beginning of fall because it was so ugly outside. It was constantly raining, gloomy, just a nasty hot ass mess. And every day I had to work, it was nice outside. But today is Sunday. I wanted to start the vlog off, but I have a list of things that I want to do this season and I'm going to share them with y'all shortly. However, y'all know that I wanted to decorate for the fall, so I just brought out all of my fall stuff that I had from last year. I brought a lot of stuff last year, so I'm just using that. I don't feel the need to go out and buy a bunch of fall stuff. Y'all know my favorite holiday is coming up, which is Christmas, and I like to go all out and decorate for the holiday season. So let me show you all of the stuff just in case you didn't catch my last fall vlog. This pumpkin I got from Kirkland's about 2 years ago. I love bringing this out during the fall. It just adds a pop of color over here in the corner, and it just has a P for our initial of the last name. And then over here is my outdoor rug. I'm gonna put that out once we power wash and clean up. It's a bunch of those polka dot lantern flies. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all been dealing with them, but they out there and we need to go and clean before I put any decorations out front. On my sectional, I just put my 2 burnt orange pillow covers just to add some more color here in the living room. Not doing too much, but I think they turned out really nice. It's very similar to last year. Over here in the dining room, I just have my collage of pictures. I purchased these prints off of Etsy. I'll have everything linked down in the description box below if you are interested. This arrangement that you see right here, I got from Hobby Lobby last year. It came as a bundle except for this plaid pumpkin. I got this separate just to go with the theme of the tablecloths, but the vase and the glass pumpkin as well as the candle inside came from Pottery Barn. This pumpkin right here came from HomeSense, and I think I just grabbed these 2 from Hobby Lobby or one of those places. The placemats came from Hobby Lobby as well. I used those one year when we did the plaid theme for Christmas, but I thought they would go really well with it being Thanksgiving because it says thankful and gather. This one needs to be replaced because I have a grease stain on it, so just ignore that. I think they look really nice here on the table. I definitely need to steam them. I just grabbed them out of the dryer and put them on the table, but they need to be steamed. But I think my little fall decor turned out really nice, really simple. And again, it's very similar to last year because I didn't do too much of anything different. I just left out of the Caribbean spot getting me some oxtails for tonight because we're going to have a cozy night in. Y'all see my husband Pineapple Gingers right there. He loves pineapple gingers. But anyway, I want to run into HomeSense real quick because last week I went in there and I seen these acrylic glasses that I wanted to get. It was really cute. They had a little tiny pumpkin in the inside, super cute, but I wasn't able to get it because the lines was crazy. And today is Sunday and it's hella people outside. Like, don't y'all gotta go home and get ready for the work week? What is going on? Why y'all outside like this? I want to run in there just to see what they got. I'm not going crazy because like I said, my favorite holiday is coming up and I want to do all of my decorations then. I'm not going to go super crazy for the fall, but I do want to grade them cups. And I want to go and see if they have any cute fall blankets, like throw blankets to put on my sectional. I think that's the only thing that I'm missing as far as my decorations. But other than that, that's all I'm getting. And I'm trying to stay away from the Christmas decor, but it's so hard because they already got everything out. So HomeSense and Marshalls was a bust. Y'all went in there and cleaned them completely out. I did see the cutest little cup when I was in HomeSense. It had gold trimming with mushrooms on it. It was super cute. I went into Marshalls trying to find a throw blanket to put here on my sectional and I didn't see anything. Like, what the? But while we sitting here trying to waste some time because I have to go pick Michaela up, I want to go through my fall bucket list. I made a list of activities that I want to do this season. And what's up, sweetheart? What's up, sweetheart? I definitely want to do all of the things that's on my list. I'm still adding to it. I haven't completely finished it yet. So my first thing that I had on my list, of course, was to decorate my house for the fall, which I've showed you all that I did. And then the next thing on my list is to get outside and walk. Now that it's cooler outside, I enjoy being outside. I feel like it's less bugs during this time of the season. So I want to be outside more. And I don't even know if I mentioned to y'all that I changed positions from working in the hospital to now working in the clinic. And I just feel like I don't get as many steps as I used to running up and down the hospital floors. So I definitely want to push myself to get outside more and do more exercising and more walking because my birthday coming up and I need this body to be snatched. There is a group of neighbors that walk around in my particular area every morning to get their steps in, and I was going to join them. But I'm more of a walking in a park type of chick. Like, I want to be out in the park, out somewhere walking. I don't want nobody talking to me. I want my earbuds in and just cutting off the world as I'm just vibing out and doing my little hot girl walk. I'm talking about hot girl walk, and I got all these oxtails over here that I'm about to throw down on tonight. But anyway, I need to go fall shopping. When we first moved here, I donated so many things because I wanted to downsize my closet. My closet is a lot smaller than what it was in our previous home. So I donated a lot of clothes, and I have yet to go out and shop. Like, I just be buying stuff here and there, but not really going shopping. And that's because I kept telling myself that I was going to lose weight, and I ain't lose the weight yet. That's why I didn't buy any clothes. I do want to go and visit a pumpkin farm. It is a apple picking farm that's near me, but I think the last day to go there is the 27th of October, and I don't know if we're gonna be able to make it, but I'm gonna definitely try my best. The next thing that I want to do is go and visit Daisy Farm before the daisies die off for the season. So we're gonna do that. And my husband and I used to go to the penitentiary, the haunted house, all the time in PA. So I want to take my kids now that they are older. I think they'll really enjoy it. We used to get tore up and then go into, the what? What you say?
Is that a farm?
No, that's not a farm. Yeah, I do. I want to go to all these farms, and it's so hard for him to go with me because he works on the weekends. So
Don't blame me.
I'm blaming you. So it's just gonna be me and my kids, me and my children.
I don't want to go to no damn farm.
You should go though. We had a really nice time last year. You should go.
Yeah, I did.
If you seen my fall vlog from last year, we really enjoyed the pumpkin farm. I don't care how old my kids is, they had a ball, and we're gonna go to the pumpkin farm. I want to go to the Daisy Farm because I seen that on TikTok, and a lot of people was going there. And then I want to go and visit some different cities. My husband not really into going to different cities. He's more of the Caribbean international traveler.
Says who?
Says I.
That's not true.
The only city I ever heard we talk about going to was Denver.
I don't mind. You like it, I'm not.
Right. No, I understand. But I'm talking about, like, we never really talked about traveling to different cities outside. Oh, we did say Seattle. We did talk about Seattle. Yeah. But anyway, that's what I want to do for my fall bucket list. It is a lot of other stuff that I'm going to add to it. And I'll keep y'all posted. We're going to check these off as we go through the season and vlogging. But anyway, I'm about to go and pick Michaela up so we can come home, eat my oxtails, chill and watch Beetlejuice. And I'll pick y'all up a little later. Welcome back to the vlog. It's been a few days since I talked to you all, but it's so funny how we can talk stuff into existence. So I knew that Nikki, my best friend, was going to Houston this upcoming week, and I wasn't sure whether or not I was going to be able to go. We're going to celebrate her cousin's birthday. If you watched my vlog from last year, we went to Miami to celebrate her cousin's birthday, but I don't think I did like a full vlog because it was a bunch of people there that I didn't know, and I didn't feel comfortable bringing out my camera. But we're going to Houston this upcoming week, and I decided to go because I have time. And I just want to go because I've never been, and I'm excited to go. So if you know any cool spots in Houston that we should check out, link them down below. In a bit of a rush because I booked me a last minute hair appointment, and I ordered some bundles of hair from my favorite supplier. They don't have a website for me to link it down below. It's a local supplier that I purchased my hair from, and I only buy hair from them except for one time. But anyway, look at these bundles. Ugh. How pretty are they? So I have a 20, 22, and a 24, but I brought my lace closure from someone else. But the hair is super, super pretty. The only thing about it is that brown color, so I do want to dye it. I brought some dye from Walmart. And I'm going to be dyeing it this blue black color right here, as you all can see. And I want to try that water method that I've been seeing all the girls do on YouTube. This is my first time trying it. I've never done it before, and I just hope it turns out good because my hair appointment is in less than 4 hours. Anyway, I'm doing the got to be glue on the lace closure so I can dip it in the water and it don't get stained. So I did about 3 coats of the got to be on it, and it's really crunchy. So you want it crunchy like that. It's tons of videos on YouTube on how to do this. So this is my first time, so we're doing this together. And I have a pot of water boiling on the stove right now, and then we're gonna mix it up. So I wanna get that done so it can set for a little bit before we go to our hair appointment. I can rinse it out and then let the hair dry. I am noticing that the closure is a different curl pattern than the actual bundles, but hopefully it'll loosen itself up once I wash it and do all this stuff to it. I don't plan on wearing it wet like how I normally do, except for like when I'm on vacation or something like that. But as of right now, I'm gonna get her to put some drop curls, just cut it up real nice, put some layers in it. Y'all see it later on. So anyway, let me start dyeing this hair and I'll pick y'all up in a bit. All right, so my timer just went off. So the only thing I'm a little nervous about, at first I was nervous, period, because if you saw when I was adding the dye to the water, it was a gray color. And I'm like, that's not supposed to look like this. But it changed this blackish blue color, which I wanted it to be. The only thing I'm a little nervous about is whether or not the dye dyed my lace to my closure, because I'm using permanent. Everybody else was using semi-permanent, so we about to see. So I'm gonna check this real quick before we go upstairs and rinse the hair out. And hopefully it took right and it didn't mess my closure up, because I'm gonna be highly upset. It was a very expensive closure. All right, so I think it's this top one right here. It dyed the fucking lace. Oh no, it didn't. Oh, did it? Did it dye the lace? I don't know. No, I don't think so. I mean, it did a little bit. All right, let's go rinse this out because I'm getting nervous.
Hey YouTube, let's admire my hair real quick. Did it all by myself. Boho on natural braids. Hold up. Put it up right. You see? Okay, back to my mom's video.
I just finished washing the bundles out, and as you can see, the closure looks pretty good. It's a little tinted like around this area right here, but for the most part where I'll be putting my part at, it's not bad. I'll add a little bit of concealer to it to make it look nice and natural. So here is how the hair turned out. It's nice and dry now, and it's so pretty. It's completely black. I really like using that method. I mean, like, I highly recommend it. If you're dyeing your hair a solid color, just use the water method. It turns out so nice. But look at how pretty this hair is. I cannot wait to get it installed. I was running my mouth and wasn't paying the time no attention, but we have to get ready to go so I won't be late for my appointments so I can get this hair done. I'm so excited to get a weave installed. I have not had a weave in my hair since my first vlog, which was when we went to Vegas, and she didn't even install it then. I went to somebody else because she moved to Houston. Which is the odds of that? We're going to Houston next week, and she came here to do my hair. I'm so excited. All right, let me stop yapping. I'm about to go down here and get my hair done, and I'll see y'all in a bit. It's been a few days since I talked to y'all. Welcome back to the vlog. My hair turned out so nice, but it's been a few days, so my curls dropped a lot. I need to do something with it before we leave for our flight tomorrow. But I wanted to jump on here real quick to show y'all that I made it back to HomeSense, and I found the cup. I'm so excited. I only found one though, and I guess this will do because nobody else really uses them but me anyway. But I got the cute little cup. Ignore my little dry ashy hands. But I got the cute little cup with the pumpkin at the bottom. It is so stinking cute. This is my little fall cup, so I'm gonna be using this outside of my Stanley because I always use my Stanley. We have less than 24 hours before we leave for Houston, and I have not packed or did anything yet. She do have a few things that she wants us to do, so I ordered some clothes. They came yesterday. Thank God they finally came on time. But I ordered the clothes. They came yesterday. Everything fit perfectly quickly, which is unusual. Usually I have to send something back, but today we need to go and do some maintenance, get all of that stuff done. But let me tell y'all how I was nominated the one to decorate our pumpkin at my job for Halloween. Is through all the entities in the clinic. Everybody is participating and the patients is going to pick which one is the best. I decided to go with the Aladdin theme, the genie. It was super cute. I seen it all over Pinterest, and I was trying to figure out of a way to make it stand up so it'll look real nice, and just I don't know, just real cute. But we was limited with the time because they only had like 48 hours to put it together, and we had to use everything from the Dollar Tree, and I think it came out so cute. But I have to run up to my job because the ear fell off, so I need to go up there, hot glue the ear, and set it up so everybody can vote on which one is the best.
That is too cute.
Oh, look at that. I didn't even see the drink. I just left from my job. They had some of the cutest pumpkins ever. I'm inserted. I think my favorite one was the Halloween theme one. Oh, let me check in for my flight real quick so I can have a good boarding pass. Let me see. But yeah, so I just left from my job and the pumpkins turned out so cute. Everybody is participating. I mean, the ideas that they came up with was so cute. I think my favorite one was probably the little porcupine with candy corn on it because I love candy corn. But anyway, we're about to run into Target. I need to grab some stuff for the trip, some little toiletries and stuff like that, and get ourselves together. But I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog so we can start a new one. And I will probably see you all in Houston if I'm able to vlog. I'm not sure because I don't know what we're gonna be doing, so I'm not sure, but I'm gonna take y'all with me as much as I can. So I'll see y'all in the next vlog.